Hey guys, it's your girl Kamaa NETE. I'm just putting this out here. I have started up a small little business. As of right now, I have t-shirts and I have my tote bags. If you are interested, hit up the link, shop with me. So we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I'm basically just priming up my face, getting it nice and moisturized for me to go ahead and do this beat. I know that the camera is not set the way that it usually is, but in this video I recorded um, this through TikTok. Yeah, it was a whole lot. But anyway, nevertheless, we still got the video going. So I'm going in and I'm doing my eyebrows. As y'all know, I like to do my eyebrows first, and I'm just shaping up my girls the way I need them to. If you see my mouth moving in a video, like I said, I was doing this video live. Okay? So now I'm going in with my concealer and I'm just cleaning them up, making sure that they look nice and crisp as always, because I like my eyebrows to look bomb, okay? Okay. Once my eyebrows are the way they are, I'm taking me a brush that I spritzed and I am blending that out. I'm also putting this on my eyelid because I decided that instead of doing my whole face and then my eyeshadow, that I was going to do my eyeshadow and then my whole face. And this is why color matching is important. Do you see how that concealer is just blending and melting away into my skin? It just looks like skin, and I love that. Alright, my beautiful people, I am going in with this light ashy green color, and I'm putting this all under my brow, basically using this as my transitioning color for this look. Once I have that in place, I am taking this nice, beautiful money green and I'm layering that right under the transitioning color. I'm taking my time and I'm making sure that the eyeshadow is where I need it to be, and then I blend it out. Once that is the way I want, I take a darker shade of green and I go in right under that. And I keep repeating the same steps as I did before. I pack it in and then I blend it so that the blend looks effortlessly. I was so scared doing this look, okay? Green, I tell you, greens, blues, and they're just some hard colors to work with sometimes, but I promise you, I did the thing, okay? Yeah, so I'm basically just making sure that I have the colors the way that I want them to. That way they're giving me that gradient effect that I'm looking for, from a dark to light, a light to dark, okay? And now that it's the way that I like it, I then take me a makeup wipe and I decided that I was going to cut my crease. I never cut my crease anymore, but I wanted to go ahead and try it out. It's been a while. I think the next time I'm going to use a Q-tip. That way it's more precise than me cutting it, because me using my finger and then a wipe, it was a little hard, but I got the job done, okay? Once that is completed to my liking and not overboard, I go in with this bright lime green. And I'm packing that all on the lid. This is just going to be my base for what I'm going to do next. The shadow I was using was a little chalky, so some of it would not stick the way I needed it to, but thank goodness that this was just the base of what I wanted to do. So once I'm done packing that in, I go in with this nice green glitter. When I tell you I was wiping glitter off for days, I was wiping glitter off for days. But I don't regret it at all. And I'm just putting that all on the top part of my lid. We're going halfway. If you know me, you know I love glitter. I can't do anything without a little sparkle. So here I am still just taking my time, and I'm packing it in. I'm packing it on. Like I said, when I was putting it on, the other color was like falling off a little bit, but thank God for the glitter, and it stuck on very well. So now that I'm doing that, I take this metallic green and then putting that on the outer edge of the lid, and I'm just blending that so that the two meet. It was a little close in color with the crease colors, so I took a little bit of black and I just put that into the crease line so that we didn't, lose the fact that this was a cut crease. Now I'm going in, I'm adding a light shade of foundation and putting that all where I would have my highlights at. I am then taking my regular colored skin foundation and I'm putting that everywhere else on my face. I wanted my face to have, a pop and glow due to the fact that this is kind of a green smoky eye in a sense. Once the foundation is placed where I need it to, I go in with my sponge as always. We spritz her up and we dab and blend away. And if you got into this part of the video and you haven't liked, shared, or subscribed, honey, do that for me, please, okay? We have fun over here. I'm then taking some face powder and we're going underneath where I highlighted that foundation. I did put some concealer on, but not a lot. I kept it more just a foundation type of face. I then used some I used another face powder, but it was more so like a matching skin tone. Not where under my eyes is more of a highlight. Once I'm done doing that, I then go in with a little bit of contour and some blush. Even with this, you have to make sure you blend it out. That side I had to really blend out. That's why I went back to it. I was like, ooh. I add a little bit to the top because I like my face to have some color. I don't want my face to look flat. Now we're going back to the eyes and I'm putting on some mascara, okay? You know I have to have my mascara. I was trying a different mascara. I really didn't like it. I'm gonna have to go back to my Better Than Sex mascara. But this was just gonna have to do for today. And as I always say, bottom lashes matter too. And now we add our babies. Those lashes, oh, they put it together. And I took a little bit of black eyeshadow and I just blended that under my waterline. I then take a green and yellow highlighter and I put that in the corner of my eyes. Well, it was green and then I added the yellow, but it makes it look like a lighter yellow, okay? It's color theory, come on, think about it. and then going in with my brown matte lipstick. And then I found this lip pencil called Viola, and the company's name is Sugar. And I added that in the middle of my lips. So here's the lip pencil that I was talking about. It was very soft, and then it dries down to a soft matte. And I just blend. I then took a little bit of a concealer and I blended that because I wanted my inner lip to really look bright. And hold on, okay? And this is the final look. Oh my gosh. I was so scared, like I said before, guys, but the look really came together. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys, try it out. And if not, it's okay. I thank you for being here. I love you guys. Bye.